Welcome back to your Excel chart lab this evening. Tonight's analysis is of one of the bluest of the blue chip stocks. That, of course, is Ford Motor Company, stock symbol F. And as always, before we get started, a big shout out to the people who watched the video yesterday. I got a big favor to ask you. If you watched the video, click that like button for me. And of course, before we get started, standard disclaimer applies. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial investment or trading advice. Okay, so again, tonight's blue chip stock is Ford. We begin with the traditional volume plot against the closing price. Let me move over here, because this is also, now we come down to the ever popular RSI plot, and as you can see, Ford has been pretty doggone active, right? Couple times oversold here, overbought here a couple times. VWAP back in October, I went above the upper VWAP line, okay, and above the continued upward with some volatility. Bollinger Bands, kind of volatility here outside the bands, down, up, down. Now it's above. Now it's pretty much above the. Also, the MACD plot, looks like we're coming to an end of another big movement up here. All right, 100 moving average. Good news is the Ford is above above its 100 moving average. And finally, first quarter forecast. It's predicting what we start out. It's predicting it's really pretty much predicting not a lot of change over the next. These are something what's called price intervals, predictive intervals. There's a 95% chance that the actual closing price will fall within these two bands here, okay? Cumulative returns, the word of caution here, this was done with closing price and not the more traditional adjusted price. So take it with a grain of salt, but it is nonetheless kind of interesting to see that Ford took a big hit the first 3 months of the year, then began to recover back over here. Okay, there you have it. Ford Motor Company here on the Excel chart lab this evening. Of course, I'll also mention you can download. There'll be a link to the GitHub repository in the description. Go out and download all these spreadsheets I use and start working with yourself. All right.